Everybody, so this is going to be part 2 of the manuals for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner that I picked up from eBay. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is going to be the part 2 of the manuals that I picked up from eBay. This is a 2000 Technical Service Bulletin manual that I picked up. I'm waiting for the other 3 or 4 manuals to show up. So I don't know what's going on with those. The tracking has never been updated, so. But this is going to be a quick unboxing, a little walk through. Gonna take a look at it and go from there. So, bam! I already unboxed it, guys. But it says 2000 Technical Service Bulletins, University of Toyota, Toyota Motor Sales USA Inc. This has information for Celica, Echo, Highlander, Land Cruiser, MR2 Spiders, Prius, RAV4, Sequoia, Sienna, Avalon, Celica, some more Sienna Continue, Tacoma, Tundra, truck covers, engine, transmission and clutch, drivetrain, differential, steering, suspension, brakes, body, general information, electrical, paint, heating and air conditioning, accessories continued, NVH, audio, SSTs, it does not look like 4Runners is in this manual that I can tell. And this probably because it's January. Well, 4Runners is in here. It just doesn't show 4Runners in the main menu. Part number, emissions. It gives front suspension plate washers, suspension. So it's a nice detailed manual. Steering rack and end nose. Warranty information. Servicing protocols. Parts. Valve clearance. (2001) model Prius. Uh, 2001 RAV4, August 18th, 2000. My 4Runner was before that. My 4Runner is June 8th, 2000. which is why it's a 2000, not a 2001. Anything past July is a 2001. Hold on. Seatbelt information. Starting VIN information. Has some 1999 stuff in here as well. So right here shows 1998 to 2000 for Sienna, 1995 to 99. For Japanese built Camrys, their possible VIN numbers. A lot of good information in here. Equipment drive shaft coupling kit installation. Two-wheel drive with AC, two-wheel drive, all track with AC. Just a good manual to have. It is used, the corner is bent up, but it's no big deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're probably going to see this in the future. It shows on the back. We encourage professionalism, ASE certified through technician certification. PN 00442-01001 01-UOT-120 printed and on recycled paper. That's what it says. That's what the side looks like. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.